Hey guys, take video 3 right here. All right, we're going to walk through this page right here. This is page 491, okay? So would it make sense right here at number 1, would it make sense to describe the total weight of Mark's dinner in tons? Let's think about tons, right? Tons was that big old horse. Now I know some of us eat like horses, but that's not going to make any sense right here. It's not going to make any sense right here because we're going to use ounces. Ounces are for your smaller amounts, your smaller items, okay? We're talking smaller amounts. Now, for 2, 3, and 4, what does it say right there? To convert. This goes back to page 490. There's your conversions. This goes back to our conversions table. 1 pound, 16 ounces, 1 ton, 2,000 pounds. That is our reference sheet that we're going to use. So to turn tons into pounds, we know that 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. Okay, LBS, pounds. 1 T, T for tons. So 9 tons to turn into pounds, we're going to go 9 times 2,000, and we're going to get 18,000. 18,000 would be our answer. I'm writing sideways, by the way, if it looks kind of silly. For the second one, it says 3/4 pounds. There's just that fraction. Don't freak out. But 1 pound, one of these, equals 16 of those. So we take 3/4 times that by 16. Well, 16 times 3, 48. So you get 48 over 4. Fraction greater than 1. What do we do with that? Yeah, we divide it. We're going to get 12. This next one says 17 pounds into ounces. So one of these equals 16 of those. So we're going to do 17 times 16. Now, I want you to do this one on your own. If you recall, 17 times 16, the one thing we've done with that one is we've set up our box method. Remember, we haven't gone old school with 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. So 10 and 7 for 17, 10 and 6 for 16. I want you to set this one up. Get me that answer, 17 times 16. The next one says, write greater than or less than to compare the measures. Well, again, we can do some mental math, but a lot of times I want you to show your work, okay? What I want you to do here is let's think about this. Let's do a mental math. 6 ounces, 6 pounds. Think about those pounds. That was that kitten. That might be that puppy. That might be that loaf of bread. So if I have that 6 loaves of bread and then I compare it to the 6 ounces, we know that 6 ounces is a lot less than 6 pounds. Well, what else could we do there? We can turn ounces into pound or pound into ounces, right? So 1 pound equals 16 ounces. So 16 times 6, you're going to get 96 ounces, right? OZ, ounces. 6 is a lot less than 96. The next one right here, okay? Pounds to ounces, pounds to tons. Let's go over here and do number 7. We know that one of these equals 2,000 of those, right? So 1 pound equals 2,000 tons. Got that backwards. 2,000 of these equals one of these. My bad. 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. So if we do 2 times 2,000, we're going to get 4,000 pounds. So 5,000 is definitely going to be greater than. Okay? So we want to do those conversions, guys. Okay? Here you would turn pounds into ounces. So one of these equals 16 of those, right? So 16 times 3, 48. 48 is greater than 40. Okay? Down here, same kind of things with the conversions. Okay? 15 pounds to ounces. Well, 1 pound equals 16 ounces. 15 times 16, you can work that one out. 46 pounds, one of these equals 16 of those. 46 times 16, you can work that out. Again, use your box method. 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. Well, 6 times 2,000, we can do that one right here, and we get 12,000. All right? On this side, I'm going to let you do 9 and 13 as extra practice. Here we see a fraction, pounds to ounces. Go back to your chart, guys, page 490. 1/8 times 16, you get 16/8. What is that called? Fraction greater than 1, and what do we do with it? Divide it. 16 divided by 8 equals 2. Now down here, 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. That's the rule. But we'll see a pattern happening. 2 times 2,000, 4,000. 3 times 2,000, 6,000. Here's your rule. Here's your pattern. Now down here, 1 pound equals 16 ounces. So 2 times 16 would be 32. But what's half of 16? Use your mental math, guys. 8. So walk through that page, pause it, rewind it, go through it, look over it, okay? All right, I'm going to stop it right here and get ready for the next one.